Dynatrace is a digital performance management company, and we are the market leader on this area. And we have been working for the last 5 years to help organizations to improve their services and measure their services against the end users. First of all, most is an enterprise-wide solution, so it covers from the enterprise organizations package systems, and also covers new technologies from this new world. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing is, obviously, we consider that performance has everything related to the end user. So the ability to measure and have the visibility to the end user performance. That's another thing.
Third thing is the deep visibility and being able to not just cover the firefighting cases, not just being able to use this in case of problems, but also getting more proactive. So that companies don't just firefight, but actually get into a more optimization mindset of, let's make sure we don't get into trouble in the first place.
The fourth one is that nowadays the IT is exploding in terms of complexity, and we need a solution that is able to grab the information from the different systems and have intelligent way to diagnose that information and provide the right information to the right people in the organization.
So before deployment, we're still often met with disbelief. You won't be able to do this. You'll never be able to do this in production. We have a large environment. We have too many transactions. So that's typically a first reaction of, that all sounds great on paper, but so far a lot of people have promised this, nobody's been able to deliver this. After deployment, obviously we are usually able to change that perception, making it work in their environment, actually showing that. And what I've heard from a lot of customers is that, you know what, we didn't have a war room. A war room is in IT basically when you pull together people from different teams to talk about issues and try to figure them out collectively. And one of the guys was like, you know what, we didn't have a war room in the last couple of weeks. We got so used to them being a daily or a weekly occurrence. Now we suddenly start noticing, yes, we are making progress. It is getting better. We are getting on our way to optimization.
We were very happy in the way that Spun interacts with the market, and that's the reason why we started this partnership together, and we believe that we'll be successful.
The digital transformation is just, I would say, a current step or a current movement, but if you really look at it, people have been going through a digital transformation for decades now. If you look at banks over the last probably years, 10 years, 15, 20 years, they've been more and more starting to center all their business around central IT processes. And there is no reason to believe that this will stop or will slow down. Actually, quite the opposite. If you look at technologies, we are getting faster and faster in how technologies emerge, how quickly they get rolled out into production. It used to be more like a cycle of US West Coast 1 year, US East Coast another year, Europe a year after. Now this cycle is sometimes shortened to months. After technologies appear, we start seeing customers rolling them out into production. So if anything, this cycle is actually speeding up rather than slowing down or even stopping.